There are two ways to import component and pattern libraries from Eagle software. You can use Eagle files in XML or script formats. Let's do a direct import of an XML library file. In the pattern or component editor module, head to Library, Import Eagle XML, and select an Eagle library file that you want to import. Type in its name, select a library group, and click OK. Save the library on your computer. As you remember, XML format is native to the recent versions of Eagle. If you are working with an earlier version, you can import script files. To generate a script file, launch Eagle software, select File, Export, Script, and save Eagle library in script format. Now close Eagle and open DipTrace pattern or component editor. Select Library, Import, Eagle Script from the main menu and select the file. Again, give it a name and select a library group. The library has been uploaded to the editor. Now save the DipTrace library file on your computer. If you import an Eagle library to DipTrace component editor, you will get components with attached patterns. When importing to pattern editor, you get footprints only. If you want to edit some components of the same Eagle library, both in component and pattern editor, there is no need to import it twice to both modules. You can import it just to component editor, save it as a DipTrace library, and then extract patterns from the imported components in pattern editor. So select a library. I created a new one in User Patterns group and go to Pattern, Insert from another library. Earlier in Component Editor module, I imported a couple of libraries to User Components group, so select the group and a library. After that, I choose the components and click Insert.